Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at foods that will make you sleep like a baby. My name is Mama Uju. This is Age and Flourish, where we talk everything concerning aging and lifestyle. Like I always tell you, that life is good and you deserve all it takes to live a good life. So if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. You can also comment and contribute your quota into this video and let us learn together. Share also to your loved ones that they may also benefit from the content. Okay, let's see the different food items, natural food items that can help you sleep well. Remember, this body has a lot of parts, organs, and a lot of hormones that help us to live healthy. And in our everyday food, the natural food, the plant food, the food in its original state, not the processed one, not the factory made food, where all the nutrients and the fiber has been taken away, but the whole food that is still intact, they also contain most of the hormones that this body needs to be able to live. That is why when you eat healthy, you live healthy. But if you eat the wrong food, sickness will come, because our body is nourished by natural plants. The things, the ingredients, the nutrients, the phytochemical, the minerals that are in the plant. That is what the body needs. And sleep is one of them. There is this hormone called melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone in the body that helps us in sleeping. It regulates our sleep and waking cycle. And this melatonin is what helps us to sleep. Once it is getting dark, the hormones secrete melatonin into our body. So it kicks in at night and will help us to sleep. There are many foods that contain this melatonin and also contain other compounds that will help to produce melatonin that also will help us to sleep well. And so when we eat those food, we will be able to have good sleep. And when you have good sleep, your body is relaxed. Your mental health is intact. Your creativity is sharp. And your vitality and energy will be over the roof. And so let's look at some of those foods. We are going to look at these foods in their different categories, so that when you know the category, it will be easier for you to select the food under those categories. Whether you're finding it difficult to sleep or not, those food items are good for you because they are natural food. Okay, let's write down. One of the categories of the food categories that can help you sleep well is complex carbohydrates. When we talk of complex carbohydrates, we talk of carbohydrates in its full form, not processed carbohydrates. Carbohydrate that is complete. The grains, the beans, the legumes, even the starchy carbohydrates, they are still intact. they have not been processed, which means they still have their fiber intact, they still have their vitamins and minerals intact, they still have their phytochemical intact, they still have everything it takes to nourish this body. None has been removed. So this whole food, complex carbohydrate, will help to improve your sleep pattern. So food like oats, like chickpea, all these complex carbohydrates, they have a night fiber which they feed the microbe in your gut, and that will help your mood, and that will help your body to relax, and you will sleep well. Vegetables like spinach and kale, they are packed with calcium, magnesium, and even potassium. All these help to cool the body. Magnesium helps to keep the body cool. Magnesium is like the Valium. That is the kind of medication that will send you to sleep. When you eat food that contains this magnesium and calcium and potassium, your blood vessels will relax. Blood will flow well all over your body, carrying oxygen from your lungs to the whole body. And so your whole body will be adequate, good for you, sound. So eat green leafy vegetables that has magnesium, calcium, potassium, and the rest. Instead of taking all these chemical drugs, they can help also, but support it more with natural food. Another category food is nuts and seed, like almond nuts, walnut, seeds like pumpkin seed, and so on. They also contain magnesium, melatonin, calcium, and healthy fats. All this will help you. You see that all those medication that we take from the pharmacy, they are present in the natural food that we eat. So why not go natural? As you are getting one, you are getting the other from inside. As you're getting calcium, you're getting potassium. As you are getting potassium, you're getting phosphorus, you're getting melatonin. You're getting everything, even omega-3, that will help build up your body. When you come to the fruits category, fruit like kiwi, cherries, bananas, potassium, magnesium, melatonin, and every other antioxidant that will help your body and give it a favorable environment for your cells to be able to heal and grow effectively. Kiwi is very rich in serotonin and melatonin. Kiwi is a very good fruit. If you can get hold of kiwi and consume it, especially in combination with other fruits and other vegetables and other food items, I don't see the reason why you will not sleep. Your body will be in a favorable environment, void of oxidative stress and toxins that will always irritate the body system. Milk, like dairy or even non-dairy milk, especially non-dairy milk like almond milk, like oatmeal. So they contain natural calcium in them. Also, they contain melatonin in them that will help you to sleep. Even yogurt, Greek yogurt is good. Greek yogurt contains calcium also that helps in bone building. You can take a dark chocolate that is about 75 to 80% chocolate. But this one is in moderation. Take it in moderation. It also contains melatonin in it. So when you see all these food categories, you can now select the food and make a very good meal out of all these categories. Are you looking at complex carbohydrates? Are you looking at vegetables? Are you looking at nut and seed, fruits, and even milk? They are complete. You can have different meals, different food combination in them, and by the time you consume them for about a week, and also put in place what we talked about, the other factor that help you to sleep well in the previous video. When you put all of them in place, within 1 week you will see your body reset. Not only taking medication to sleep today and tomorrow you take another medication and you continue taking medication to sleep, but as you eat the natural food that will feed you from inside, you will see that within a short time your sleep will be deeper and more enjoyable. Remember again, consistency is the key. Don't do hit and run, and be patient with it, knowing that food items naturally will heal from the inside, and it takes a little gradual process, and when it kicks in, your body will know, and your body will thank you for that. I hope you find value in this video. More also, before I leave, drink water. Drink a lot of water, because water will help to wash out a lot of toxins from your body. Water detoxifies also. But if you feel that when you drink a lot of water in the night, it will disrupt your sleep as you wake up to go and pee, drink more in the morning and in the afternoon. So towards evening, you can now drink less water, and you will see that your internal environment will be peaceful and you will sleep better. Thank you for listening to my video, and share. Thank you so much. Bye.